Hello everyone and a warm welcome to Livescraper. In this video, I'll show you how easily and efficiently you can scrape millions of Google Maps data, including emails and contact details, using Livescraper. Livescraper is an advanced yet user-friendly tool that requires no coding or technical skills. So if you've been manually building business leads, this video is for you. Without further delay, let's dive into the process of scraping Google Maps data using Livescraper's powerful functionalities. Before we begin, here's an important note and disclaimer. Make sure to follow data laws and guidelines in your country. To begin, you need a Livescraper account. If you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description below. Signing up is quick and easy. Just confirm your email and you're in. You can also sign up using Google or LinkedIn in just one click. Start by naming your task for future reference to find any task within a second. Then choose the output format based on your needs. CSV for Google Sheets compatibility, XLSX to view data on your computer. In the categories section, you can choose from a wide range of business categories available on Google Maps, such as restaurants, contractors, real estate agencies, dentists, travel agencies, wedding planners, and much more. To explore all available categories, click Check Out Categories list. You can select all categories by clicking All Categories, and it will load all the categories to the scraper. If you want to check out the list of categories available, click on Check Out Categories list, and it will show you the entire alphabet list of all the available categories and industries. For this demo, I typed contractor, and you can see here's an entire list that is related to contractor, such as general contractors, HVAC contractor, lighting contractor, etc. To make it easy, we will simply select the contractor. Once you select the category, the first option you want to come to is exact match. Selecting exact match ensures that only businesses matching your selected category will be included in the results. Now, select your target location. For this demonstration, let's choose the United States, then unselect all states and select Florida. By clicking the drop-down option, it will expand a list of all available cities within the state. If you need more precise targeting, use the custom location feature to enter specific cities or zip codes. Now, there is email and contact scraper feature under enrichment services, which is really important if you want to extract their email data and social media URLs available on the website of the business. There is also a separate tutorial on this topic, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, if you wanted to cold email the outreach, then you do want to check Ignore entries without emails. And I also want to delete email duplicates so that you don't get duplicate emails and you don't trigger the same email address multiple times. Now, you can apply advanced filters to get exactly the data you need, ensuring you don't waste money on irrelevant data. Important notice: be careful while selecting the filters. If you apply conflicting or incorrect filters, the tool may return 0 results. Make sure to double check your selections before running the task. Inside the Add Filter section, you'll find multiple filtering options to refine your search. Let's start with subtypes. You can select multiple business categories from Google Maps category list. This ensures you only get relevant businesses while ignoring the rest. If you enable the exact match option, the tool will automatically add the category for precise results. Next, filter by business status. If you want to extract only active businesses, simply select operational and you'll get results for businesses that are currently running. Looking for businesses without a website? Choose is blank from the drop-down, and the tool will return only businesses that don't have a website. Need data only for businesses with a phone number? Select is not blank, and the tool will return only listings with a contact number. Now you can set your preferred language for your output. By default, it's set to English, but you can choose any language. Places per one query search section allows you to select how many places you want to scrape in each query. You can set to 500 for maximum results. We provide over 60 fields in the output, so under the columns to return section, you can also select the columns you want in your output. By default, we provide all the columns. With these powerful filtering options, you can target only relevant businesses and eliminate unnecessary data, saving both time and money. Once you've set all the parameters, click on Get Data. This will provide you with a rough estimate before running the task. Important: ensure you have enough credits before starting. If your account doesn't have sufficient credits, the system will prompt you to add credits before proceeding. The estimated time is usually overestimated. Even if it says 1 hour, in reality, it will likely take much less time. The final result count may also vary slightly based on live data availability. Once everything looks good, click Confirm and your task will start processing. On the task page, you can track your running tasks in real time. Once completed, click Google Maps Data to download the results. You will also receive an email notification when your task is finished. After downloading the file, open it in Excel. Your data includes 60+ fields, such as business name, address, geo-coordinates, review scores, working hours, Google ID, and more. Since we enabled email and contact scraper, we also get multiple emails, phone numbers, and social media URLs. As you can see, Livescraper is a powerful tool that automates data extraction in just a few clicks, saving you time and money. Sign up now and try Livescraper's Google Maps Data Scraper for free, up to 500 places. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or feedback. Your input helps us improve Livescraper and add more features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Cheers.